start.
Finish.
Thank you, Frisha. Is anyone absent today?
No, miss.
Good job, everyone. So, do you still remember what we learned for last lesson?
Subject and object of corporate income tax, miss.
That's right. The last lesson we learned about the subject and tax object of corporate income tax. Does anyone still remember what are the object and subject of corporate income tax? Yes, Naswa.
The tax object is taxable income such as business profit, dividend, royalty, interest, and more. While the subject of corporate income tax is a business entity operating in Indonesia. The group company, cooperative, foundation, or permanent establishment.
Great, thank you for your answer, Nashwa. So everyone, today we will continue for the material about the calculation of corporate income tax. Previously, the learning objective of this material is the first student could analyze and of corporate income tax with sustainability concept. And the second, the student can calculate the amount of corporate income tax in accordance with applicable tax regulation in Indonesia. So, before starting the lesson, I will give you a simple quote. A little step will form a firm patenting. So, keep pushing forward. Do you get it, everyone?
Alright, miss.
So everyone, did you know why a company must pay taxes to the government?
Ma'am,
Yes, Maya.
a company must pay taxes because it is a form of compliance with state regulations, and the income from taxes paid by companies is one of the sources of income for the state.
Good job, Maya. Based on Maya's answer, tax is one of the sources of income for the country. But how does the impact of tax in supporting the development and economy of the country?
Miss.
Yes, Neneng.
Taxes enable the government to provide public service such as education, health, and transportation, and to manage finance more stably and reduce foreign debt.
That's right, Neneng. Tax are very supportive of the country's development and economy. Well, in order to understand more about this corporate income tax, I would like to give you a video. Please watch the video properly, and before that, we will do a discussion. So,
in transportation or high childcare costs, which, when coupled with lower wages, can make it unaffordable to work at all. Many economists agree that the corporate income tax is one of the most harmful and least efficient ways to fund our priorities. Taxes are necessary for government services, but they should cut the cost of lower wages and lost opportunities for the people the services are supposed to help.
okay guys, after you watching the video about corporate income tax, let's discuss about this video. So, what do you think the video is about? Yes, Asna?
The video reveals the tax object and subject of corporate income tax.
Great, Asna. The video shows the subject and object of corporate income tax that we discussed for the last lesson. And does anyone want to share anything else besides what Hasna mentioned?
Miss,
Yes, Zaza.
in the video, it is mentioned that the corporate income tax reform is 22%.
Excellent, Zaza. The video explained that the rate of Okay, everyone, do you have any question related to what is in the video? Yes, Ginny.
Yes, I have a question. Why is the corporate income tax rate set at 22%? Does this rate apply to all types of companies?
Okay, the 22% tax rate is the general rate that applies to most business entities in Indonesia. However, there are some exceptions and incentives provided by the government to support small companies, certain sector, and publicity listed companies that contribute greatly to the economy. Now, I want to make a group consist of 3 people. You will be working on a case study about analyzing and calculating the corporate income tax. So there are two problems, and I will give you 30 minutes to discuss it with your group mates. Then one of the group present the result in front of the class. Do you get it, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Wow, good job, Nashwa. Read the book, guys. So, is anyone having any difficulties?
Me, Miss.
Yes, Sasa.
How to solve number 2 of this case?
For problem number 2, you can look for the reference on the internet about how companies apply sustainability through tax reduction provided by the government for a company.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, everyone, since the discussion time is up, as I said before, I would like one of the group to present the result in front of the class. I will give an extra points for the group that presented for the discussion. So, does anyone want to volunteer to come here? So everyone, please pay attention to your friends who are in front of you.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
For the calculation that we have done with the group, the amount of corporate income tax that must be paid by the company Berkah Mandiri is 506,000 billion, and for answer number 2 is by supporting companies to invest in green sectors. The government can create new jobs in green economy sectors, such as renewable energy and green technology. Increased investment in this sector not only reduce dependence on fossil energy, but also strengthen national energy security and reduce negative impacts on the environment.
Give a round of applause for Group Maya. Thank you for Group Maya. You may back to your seats. So, based on the presentation made by Maya Group, the calculation of the question is correct. Any different from other group?
No, Miss.
And for question number 2,
earth. Who prioritize companies with socially and environmentally responsible business practice. Thus, this tax incentive policy not only plays a role in company development, but also promotes sustainable economic growth and job creation.
Good answer, Zaza, because two groups have presented the result of their discussion, then they are entitled to extra points. Give a big applause for group Zaza and Maya. Alright everyone, if you are still confused about the material at this time, you can ask me. So, are you still confused about the material what we have learned this time?
No, Miss.
Okay, great. Then, who can make a conclusion about what you have learned in this material? Yes, Ayla.
The calculation of income tax by a company and the importance of a company's obligation to pay taxes to the government, one of which is for the development of the country.
Good job, Naila. It's true that we learned a lot about this corporate income tax material. And after learn about this corporate income tax material, it can be open your insight into the